Hello there, Informed Beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about lazy hair. Lazy natural hair moments, some tips that I have for you, what's going on with me and my hair right now, because as you can see, I am back in braids, and there is a reason why, okay? If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, girl? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I promise it won't hurt. And make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give your girl a big thumbs up and press that share button and share your girl with the world, okay? First of all, before we start, I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. I see that since I've last posted, I got like 30 new subscribers. So hello, you guys. How y'all doing? Welcome to the family. I refer to you guys as my Informed Beauties. And hopefully you guys like that name. I did a poll and you guys agreed that you guys like the name Informed Beauties. So that's what it is. But let's get into today's topic, and let's talk about let's get into what we're gonna talk about today, and that is lazy hair moments. It can not even be moments. It can be months, because in my case, it's been months. Okay, so let's start off with the bun. Let's rewind to the bun. So you guys remember when I did the bun with the Marley hair, like the how-to video? If you missed it, I'll link it down below above. Go check it out. It was a really cute look. But that's where it began, and I think I bunned for about a week or two. It probably was about 2 weeks I bunned. I really didn't feel like washing my hair. I didn't feel like combing my hair. I didn't feel like dealing with my hair at all, you guys. Like, literally, that bun was in my head. Well, I took it down at night because I didn't like the tension on my hair at night. But girl, when I got up, brush, slick, put that bun right back in. I did that for about a week to 2 weeks. I want to say 2 weeks more so, okay? And keep in mind, I didn't comb my hair. I didn't cleanse it. None of that. Like, you guys, legit, I did not feel like messing with, like, I just did not feel like doing my hair. So I was sitting there and I was noticing that, you know, my hair is really, really coily, curly. If you guys have seen my hair, it is really tiny spirals. And that is the type of hair that cannot not be detangled for 2 weeks. That's a problem. So I tackled it. But I noticed what was happening is that because I'm not cleansing or, you know, combing my hair out at least once a week, I had way more shedding than I had before. The shedding seemed to be continually, but it's only because I haven't, you know, detangled my hair and cleansed my hair in so long. And then I actually took the time out to deep condition, because I wasn't deep conditioning. I was throwing conditioner in my hair for like 5 minutes, washing it out, and then whatever. But I actually took the time before, when I did this wash, to actually deep condition my hair. So, and then what did I do after that? Oh, after that, I attempted to do a wash and go, and it didn't work for me. I just did not have the patience to sit there and finger the product through my hair, and I was just over it. Okay, so I ended up throwing in some bigger braids. Now, the last 2 videos you guys seen on here, I have some bigger braids in. Those were some legit, like, Felicia braids. Like, I took some regular old Kanekalon hair, made like 6 big parts, braided in, and that was it. My hair was like that for a week. Then I was like, okay, I don't feel like doing my hair. And then now I threw these in, but these aren't as secure because I even was lazy with this hairstyle. So I'm going to share with you guys some tips that if you get lazy with your natural hair, what are some things that you can do to give yourself a break? Because I really do feel there comes a point with just everything, but hair, you need to have a break. And I just feel like I just come to a point where I'm like, I don't want to have to comb my hair. And I feel like when I'm like that, when I'm like, I don't want to comb my hair, I don't want to do it with my hair, when I do it because I'm forced to, because you don't want to walk out the house looking crazy, let's be honest. But I feel like when I'm forced to, I don't comb my hair properly. I'm more raking through it. I don't deep condition like I'm supposed to. I don't do things properly. I feel I end up doing more damage than doing good for my hair. So let's talk about it. So once I figured all that out, that I was just like, you know what, my hair needs to go into a style that I don't have to deal with it until I get the urge to. Because I get the urge like, oh, I miss my curls. Then that's when I take my braids out or whatever style I have, and I deep condition and all that. And I want my curls to come back, or I want to see my curls again, so I take more care of my hair, or I am more delicate with the process, okay? So let's talk about it. So first thing first, if you find yourself becoming frustrated, okay, or just straight tired, lazy, don't feel like doing your hair, the best thing to do is to throw it in something protective. Get your word out, Eunice. Get your words out, okay? Protective styles are going to be your best friend. And you guys know I am a advocate for it, because you guys see these braids in my hair at least 6 months out the year. I'm in braids because I just can't, I just come to a point where I'm like, I'm done. You know, I'm done with my hair. So protective styles, if it's braiding your hair up in 6 plaits and pinning them up, do it. If it's bunning for a week, do it. If it's braids, twists, box braids, kinky twists, whatever it is, put your hair in a style where you can get a break, where you can just go ahead and just not have to worry about getting up in the morning and doing it, and you keep your sanity. Okay? Do it. All right. Also, I feel like it's the time. I think you have to find the time as well to do your hair. You have to really put it into your schedule, just like you would your nails, or, you know, going to work or whatever. Like, just schedule out a slot in the day that goes, okay, that time is for me to deep condition, cleanse my hair, detangle it, and use that time for it. Because I know that it's a little bit more when it comes to natural hair. We do take a little bit more time to, you know, detangle and to prep the hair for washing, and then after the wash process and detangle. It's all a process, and it's not just jump in the shower, wet your hair, and jump out for us. It's not. There's a lot more that goes into it. So I feel like if you plan out a portion of your day to do it, you're more than likely going to execute it. Okay, like, okay, I start my hair at 1 o'clock, let me go ahead and let me eat, let me lay around, let me watch some Netflix. Then 1 o'clock comes around, or even sitting in front of a TV and you start to detangle your hair or whatever, that helps out a lot as well. Okay, but just finding styles that are easy to do. You can throw them in. You don't have to manipulate your hair too much. Those are going to save you in the long run, and they're going to save your sanity in the long run. And you're not going to be doing damage to your hair like I feel I do when I am lazy, or I don't feel like doing my hair. Because you put so much work into, like, I put so much work into my hair to get to the point that where it is now, that I don't want to start to have breakage and all that because of me being lazy and not wanting to properly deep condition, or not to properly detangle, or properly put my hair away. So whenever I get those moments, it's time for some braids. It's time for some kinky twists. It's time for something to happen, you know. And these are a lot bigger than I usually do my braids. I think the last braids were about this size, but my hair is away, and I feel so relieved. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I feel like so relieved that my hair is put away, and I don't have to worry about doing my hair. So yeah. But I don't know, you guys. It's a little bit of a rant for me and my hair, and you guys know I do have, every now and then I talk about my hair. I don't really do as many hair tutorials as I used to do, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I don't have really any new ideas with my hair. Let's say get like a new product or something to try out for you guys. Then yeah, but when it comes to my hair and trying to style it and doing all that other stuff, y'all, it's just, I really don't have the patience for it. And I want to be one of those people who can do like the flexi rods and all that, but I just don't have the patience for it currently at this time. So your girl is in braids and twist outs a lot. But my hair has grown a lot. I'm going to just tell you that right now. My hair is about here. The back part of my hair is about here. And if you guys, and I will probably do a length update, you know, later on, because I really wasn't trying to focus in on length, and I really didn't want to get into that because we've been there. If you if you guys know, we've been there. We've been there. So many length checks we've been there, and it just never really kind of flowed how I wanted to flow. So yeah, maybe we'll talk about that in a video, or maybe one day I'll just show you guys how long my hair is. But it's about right here. I'm so shocked too. I'm like, hair has grown. Maybe putting, but you know, that's one of the good things about protective styles is because when you put them in your hair away in buns and braids and twists, your hair is going to grow. Especially if you're oiling your scalp and you're taking care of the braids, like your hair is going to grow. So that's another plus to protective styling, is that you are going to see a lot more moisture retention and length retention. Anyways, you guys, I am going to end this video here. I don't want to rant on and on and on about my laziness with my hair, but hopefully this resonated with somebody out there. So hopefully somebody can go, you know what, this video was all over the place. Kind of probably didn't make too much sense, but hey, girl, I get you when it comes to that natural hair, all right? But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in another video.